Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow.
So here's the lobby area. As I said, literally across the road. Because we're going there first though. We want to have a drink. I'm going to enjoy a cocktail from the hotel bar. We're not all inclusive. Most of the drinks are all inclusive here. We're getting it charged to the room. I've got Porn Star Martinis, very orange looking, and you also get a shot of Prosecco, which I've just necked at the bar. So let's see how this tastes. Ooh, it's got a bit of a kick to it. I like it. So yeah, I like it. I do like the lifts in here. The see-through, and you can see exactly where you're going. So there's our room, and what I really like about this hotel is it looks enclosed, but it's not. It's perfectly outside. Shows how nice the climate can be. Right, let's go and check out breakfast. Really nice looking hotel, this one. GF Gran Costa Adeje it's called. Oh, look at this. Blue sky. Blue sky. It's going to be a pool day, I think. Pool day. Look at that. There's the pools, by the way. There's two. And the children's pool, maybe just be able to pick it up. Just like there. There's one pool. That one's warmer than that one. That pool's very nice. Goes right round there with the bridge and goes right around here, and just up here you do have infinity pool as well. We've opted against going to watch the tribute act to the Bee Gees instead. We're just going to chill up here with these incredible views on what is our last night in Tenerife.
Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're.
Locked, key in, lights on. Welcome to our room tour of the GF Gran Costa Adeje. This is a mountain view room. And it's a very large room. Let's have a look first into this room. So here is first and foremost our bathroom, which is a very large bathroom with a him and her sink right there, with an extremely large mirror. Here is our bath and shower, very powerful shower, I will add. You've got, you do get a lot of towels in here as well, we'll just use them. Hairdryer is very good, we'll vouch for that. Come into a separate toilet area, so where you find the loo and also a separate bidet. Don't know why, but you do have a phone in here as well, so you can hang up your towels and everything. As we exit the bathroom and we come into the main hallway, you can find another mirror, nice picture. We can come into here. This is where I close the door at night to try and block out all of the noise, potentially coming from either side there and there for each next door neighbour. Walls are paper thin. Here you've got some storage for your luggage. Here's our very large bed with a very large mirror placed just above it. It's a very large room. If I just have a little pan here for you, so you can have a real good look at the size of this room. And me, hello. Right, just here, phone charger, plug socket for your phone charger, always good. In charge of the lights there, we've got our remote and television placed there next to the TV. We just come into these cupboards here. First cupboard is where you will find a safe. You've got some hangers all in here, decent sized storage. Into the next cupboard is where you find some robes, towel robes they are, and more areas for storage, and an extra cushion up there if you want to use it for the bed. Come over towards the TV. In this cupboard right here is where you find the bin, and then in this cupboard here is where you find the fridge. Decent. Got more plug sockets just over here. Got another telephone just over here. And then a couch which you sink into, very comfortable. Nice position chair as well. Got curtains with netting just behind. It does block out all the lights. It can get very bright in Tenerife, which is brilliant. And then my favourite part of any holiday that I like to go on that's warm is if it's got a balcony, and it does have a balcony. And here is where we've been spending most of our evenings, playing cards, having a drink, having something to eat, chilling out and enjoying ourselves. But just have a look and come down here and have a look at our view. Down here you've got the fountain and the tennis courts for people to use who are staying on site. And then here is our mountain view. Now I actually prefer our mountain view to the pool view. The pools are very nice here. They've got 3 pools, 2 downstairs, 1 up on the rooftop. Very nice, but I just don't think you can beat Mother Nature and the beauty that the Canary Islands and Tenerife can offer, and this view here is one of the best. So considering it's a cheaper room as well, my recommendation, mountain view. The one thing I will add is that, like I said, the walls are paper thin. You can hear everything happening. I can hear things happening 4 or 5 rooms away from their balcony and things echoing through. But that's just, I think, the hotel echoing all of the noise. But thankfully, whilst we've stayed here, there hasn't been too much noise, so we haven't had to worry about that. But just something to bear in mind. Goodbye, room 432.
The next day.
There we go, guys. That has been the video for our hotel room and resort tour for the GF Gran Costa Adeje. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy this video, then do leave a thumbs up. Subscribe as well if you're new around here. We've got more Tenerife content coming for you guys to enjoy, including a vlog. And also, don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below. So I've been JSGC Vlogs. Thank you everybody for watching. I hope everyone is safe and well. Peace. Ciao for now.